Let's start out on a happy note. The car just got approved and passed MOT. So this is my first real drive in the car. I still need to get the car valued to pay the taxes, and then I can order my license plates. But this is a big milestone. The door handle mechanisms inside my door are made from 3D print. While they work fine now, I don't trust them to be strong and long-lasting. So now I make replacement parts from forged carbon instead. The procedure is identical to what I did for the side window brackets a couple of episodes ago. I start by 3D printing molds that I spray with release wax. Then I fill the molds with epoxy and chopped carbon fiber. The molds are designed so when pressing the top part in and apply pressure with some clamps, the excess epoxy can escape and the carbon fiber will be compressed. Taking the molds apart is often not that easy. The part's geometry don't allow for the necessary draft angles. But luckily 3D printed molds are disposable. After some sanding, the parts turn out pretty nice. And after some time, I had the parts ready that I needed. Installing them means taking the door apart again. These are the parts that will be replaced. Another 3D print that needs replacing for aesthetic reasons is this door handle part. So here we go again with this larger and more complex part. This will be a visible part, so a lot of wet sanding needs to be done. Even though carbon fiber looks great, it's not really the thing for a 60-year-old car, so I'll paint it. First, I prime the parts. Then some wet sanding to make the surface perfect. Then they get the same gray base coat as the car. They already look nice, but I'll wet sand them once more and mask off some stripes. Now they get some black stripes in the same style as on the car. Once again, I'll wet sand it to minimize the small step from the masking tape. In this step, it's really critical not accidentally to sand through the black or gray layers. Now to the last step, applying a 2K clear coat. I'm quite happy with the end result. In total, it had 3 coats of gray, 2 coats of black, and 4 coats of clear for that deep shine.